What's up guys, this is Ollie Kermani from Razor USA, and this is your RazorX Electric Skateboard's Guide to Getting Started. Whether you have the longboard model or the cruiser model, this video will walk you through the 3 steps Razor recommends taking before you take your first ride. These steps include checking your box contents, installing and charging your batteries, and getting familiar with the basics of riding. When you first open your RazorX Electric Skateboard's box, you're going to find 5 items: the board, the charger, the remote, the batteries for the remote, and the owner's manual. Once you've located these 5 items, you're ready to move on to step 2. Your RazorX Electric Skateboard comes with 2 sets of batteries, one set that powers the board and another set that powers the remote. The batteries that power the board come installed and just need to be fully charged before your first ride. Charging the board's batteries is easy. Simply plug one end of the charger into your board's charging port and plug the other end into a wall socket. The red light on the charger lets you know that the batteries are charging. When that red light turns green, you know that your batteries are fully charged. Unlike the batteries for your board, the batteries for your remote do not come installed, so you'll need to install them before taking your first ride. To do so, simply unscrew the single Phillips head screw that secures the battery cover and place the supplied AAA batteries in the remote as indicated. If you've installed the batteries correctly, you should see a red light on the remote when its on-off switch is turned to the on position. Once you've got a green light on your charger and a red light on your remote, you're ready to move on to step 3. Take a minute to get familiar with the controls on both your board and remote before taking your first ride. Aside from the on-off switch, the only control that you have to worry about on the remote is a thumb-activated lever that controls your board speed. Push that lever forward and the board speeds up. Pull the lever back and the board slows down. While your RazorX Electric Skateboard does not have a conventional brake, pulling back on the remote's thumb trigger will slow you down. The only control on the board itself is the power button, which is located on the underside of the board next to the charger port and the charge indicator lights. When you're ready to ride, begin by turning on both your board and your remote. Your RazorX Electric Skateboard features a kick-to-start safety feature, so you have to get the board rolling 3 miles per hour before the motor will engage. Once you've pushed off and are rolling on the board with both feet securely placed on the deck, gently begin pushing forward on the remote's thumb lever until you feel the board's motor engage and begin driving you. Stopping is as easy as slowing down and stepping off the board. Remember, you can pull back on your remote's thumb lever to slow down faster than you would by just coasting to a stop. As with all board sports, mastering your RazorX Electric Skateboard is just a matter of time and practice. So grab your helmet, find yourself a nice smooth surface, and get ready to have some fun. For the rest of Razor USA, this is Ollie Kermani, signing out.